everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Gigi Faison, and of course you know that because you checked in here. And I want to say to you, for doing just that, I thank you and I appreciate you guys. Yes, we are at week number 5. We are almost there. We have almost made it. The journey has been a little rocky, but we are almost to the finish line. And for those of you that have journeyed with me, oh my goodness, I thank you guys so much. Thank you for the encouragement, the encouraging words. Thank you so much for just clicking the button and leaving whatever message that you left. I appreciate you so much. Now, let me give you a recap as I stand still at my she shed, because this is the outdoor living space that I am choosing to make over. Week number 1, we shared with you the space that we chose to do the makeover to. Week number 2 was we shared our vision board. Week number 3, forget what week number 3 was. Week number 4 was last week. We did our DIY project. Week number 3, I can't remember right now, but week number 5, we are to share with you our haul. And if I remember what week number 3 was, I will include it somewhere. But you guys, if you have not seen up to this point, then we encourage you and we ask that you do so. We would appreciate it so much. We appreciate all the love and support. As this outdoor living space challenge is hosted by Wani over at Wani's house, I will leave her information in my description box below, along with the playlist link of all of the other creators. Please go over, visit, share, and shower love. Now let me get with this video here, which is to do our shopping haul. Now you guys, because I'm making over here, there was not a lot of things that I had to go out and purchase, but I did say that I wanted to either include blinds or curtains, and I'm going to do both. I am including, my blinds have already been put up, so I have put my blinds up. I have these shears that I shared with you earlier, and these are some that I have already had, and they're actually going to be my divider in my space here. But these are my new curtains that I purchased to go to my 2 smaller windows on each side, and I purchased these from Amazon, and these will be included in my reveal and my budget for next week. Also, part of my haul, the things that I needed most, because I am doing more of an organizational in my space here, trying to get it nice and neat, pretty, and organized. So I have purchased about 6 of these from Target, and I will be using these in my space. And these are the hefty high-rise that I'm using. I like the clear containers. That way I can actually not have to pull everything down, but actually can sometimes just give a visual to see what is actually inside there. Also, these are some of the things that I had purchased in 2020 before we closed down. We were actually going to redo the space, but then after everything happened with the pandemic, everything just kind of came to a halt. But I had purchased these, and these little walkway kind of pavers. They are this, I like tough, I don't know what you call this material here, but these were from Ollie's, and I paid $4.99 for each of these. And so these will not come out of my budget for this year. These were originally sold for $9.99. So, and I think I got about 20 of these that I'm going to use to place out here. Also, I had already purchased this rug, and I had shared it with you guys earlier on, and this actually came from Ollie's, and it was $69.99. It's a 7 foot 10 inches by 9 foot 10 inches indoor outdoor rug. So I'm actually going to use this on my floor here. Also, this is my waterfall that I had also purchased last year, and I got this from Michael's, and I think this was when they had them at either 80% or 90% off, and I thought I saw the price. I don't remember how much it was, but it was a purchase last year, so I will be using this out here in my space as well. I purchased some flowers, and I'll share those with you. Also, the flowers that I purchased are the geraniums, and I purchased those from Lowe's, and it was I got 8 of them, but I only ended up using 4, so I will include the entire 8 in my budget, because I did include for them to go here, but I'm just not going to use them here because I just don't need them. All right, so let me share with you, I had to also get the plywood. That is still on the trailer. We're running low on our time, but I'm sure we're gonna make it. So my plywood for my shelf to go across. My husband did get started. He's got one piece of the wood. I don't know if you can see there, but he's got one piece started here. So, you know, it's just a matter of, he is so helpful, you guys. Can I tell you he's helpful? Can I tell you he's resourceful? Can I tell you that I love him? Love him. I thank God for my husband, you guys. I really do. I thank God for him. You know, even after he works his, you know, long day, early start, late finish, and then he'll come and spend an hour or two helping me do this project here. Next week, you guys, is going to be reveal week, and to disclose our budget. So thank you guys so much for checking in. I do appreciate you all so very much. Again, if you're new to my channel, I do welcome you here, and all you have to do to become a part of this family is that red subscribe button. Tap it, then you'll see a little bell, press it twice, and that way you don't miss out on any of my up and coming uploads. And for those of you that have been continuing to journey with me, I thank you. All right, you guys, continue to enjoy the video. Be blessed, take care, and until I see you again, thank you. Hey guys, I think I have found something else that I can use. This is an old tabletop or desktop that was standing over in the corner back here on the left hand side. I don't know if you guys saw it in the earlier videos, but I have pulled it out and it is in really good condition. So what I'm going to do is see if I can clean it up real good and maybe buy me some legs and see if I can create me a desk or table, because the table that I am using is actually an entertaining table, one of those foldaways, so I can remove that and have this stationary for my workstation. So you guys, stay tuned.